Hey everyone, welcome back to the lab. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to create a C# .NET 8 Replit instance. Now, if you just wanted to get started coding with C# and .NET 8 on Replit, you can just fork my C# .NET 8 Replit here. Let's open this up, and then let's just run it to kind of show you that this is actually working. And so you should be able to come over here, and there'll be like a fork button somewhere, and you can just fork it and start running your C# in a .NET 8 environment. And we can see that it printed out hello world here, printed from here, so we know it's working. In the rest of this video, what I'm going to do is kind of walk through what we needed to do to update to .NET 8. The current official C# template on Replit is running .NET 6. I've asked them to update it, but they haven't yet. So if you want to get started with .NET 8, just use this one. And so here in the blog post, I'll have kind of just a copy paste of all the different files we had to touch. So if you want to copy paste that, look at that, you can do it here. And then we'll just walk through kind of what we needed to do inside of the Replit. So because the original one was on .NET 6, really what we need to do is change the kind of instance environment to actually load the .NET 8 SDK in so we can use it. And then we got to actually change our project to update that. So Replit has these config files, which allows you to kind of configure the instance and how it loads, what packages to include, stuff like that. And in most Replits, this will be hidden. So you can hide the hidden files here, and then you can come over here and then say show hidden files, and then you'll see these two guys. So the .replit is more of kind of a configuration of the instance itself. I kind of think of this as like, you know, a Docker file. It kind of tells it what environment variables to use, what channel, which is like a snapshot of all the libraries that are available for Nix, and then kind of like, where's the entry point? How do I run this kind of thing? Stuff like that. And so what we had to do here is we had to update the channel to make sure that it was updated enough for the .NET 8 SDK to actually be published on here, because this is a snapshot. And so we updated it to 23.11, and that's how we're able to get access to .NET 8 SDK, or at least access to be able to pull it down. Next thing we have to do is go to replit.nix, and here we're kind of declaring the packages and dependencies we need. Here we can see that we're pulling the .NET SDK 8 out, which has .NET 8 on it. And so this gets the instance ready to have .NET 8. It has an ability to download it and have it on its system. Now I got to actually use it. And so of course in RCS proj here, we updated this to 8.0. We can see that it's using .NET SDK here. And then all we have to do is actually run a program. And so we're using main.cs, and all it does is print hello world. And as we saw, you can run it and it outputs hello world. So that's how we know it's working, and it's running .NET 8. So again, all of this code is copied and pasted here. If you just want access to the Replit to fork it yourself, you can find the link here next. So I've reached out to Replit on X, and I've created a support forum ticket here to try and get F# and C# updated to .NET 8. I would like these things to continue to be updated because we will probably get .NET 9 around the end of the year. So ideally people aren't like, 2-3 versions behind. But you can see here that I only have 2 votes, so I don't know if anyone's actually going to see it. So please, if you care about this, go over here to the support ticket, go over on X, and upvote those things so that we can try to get some visibility so someone at Replit can actually do this update. If you like this post, you might also like how I got interested in F#, my journey through various different languages and experiences to finally end up on F# as a good happy medium between a lot of things I care about in a programming language. You might also be interested in the best way to learn F#, kind of my curation of all the available resources and how I would recommend learning different things in the ecosystem. And finally, you might be interested in 5 reasons F# is a great Python alternative for scripting, side projects, and enterprise applications. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.